Hello students, welcome to Syed Sunhera classroom. In this video, we will discuss quadratic equations, exercise 4.1. Previously, we already discussed the half of the problems in quadratic equations, exercise 4.1. Today, this is the part 2 video. The remaining problems will be discussed in this video. We will see it one by one. So, here the first question is, represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. Here it was given in a in a word type problem. We need to convert this into a quadratic equation. It was as simple as that. First we need to understand the question. I will read the question first, then we will see how we can make it into a quadratic equation. Here the first question is, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Here we don't need to know the exact values. We need to know how we can change it into quadratic equation. First, let us assume let breadth be x, because breadth is the smaller value than length, so we assume breadth be x. So breadth value is x. Now we need to find the length of the rectangle. Here the length will be, it was already given, the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. 1 more than means plus 1. Twice its breadth, what is the breadth here? X. Twice breadth means 2x. 1 more than twice is 2x plus 1. This is as simple as that. Now we have both length and breadth. Here it was given that area is equals to 528 meters square. What is the formula of area of rectangle? It is L into B is equals to 528. Length. What is the length here? 2x plus, length is 2x plus 1 into breadth is x is equals to 528. Now multiply 2x into x, 2x square plus x is equal to 528. Now this plus will come to this side. It will become 2x square plus x minus 528 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation because here the degree is 2. So the final answer is 2x square plus x minus 528 is equals to 0, and it was given that we need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Here the length is 2x plus 1 and breadth will be b, x. So this is the solutions we find in this question. Now we will move to the second question. Next question. Here the question is, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. First of all, we need to know what is a consecutive positive number. Consecutive numbers are numbers one after another. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 are the consecutive numbers because 2 is after 1. So this is a consecutive number. 2 and 3 also consecutive because they are also side by side, and these two are also side by side. So two consecutive positive numbers means one number will be x. If let us assume x be the one number, then the other integer will be x plus 1, because consecutive means the beside number of the previous number. So let us assume, I will write it here, let x be the first number, then x plus 1 be the second number. Now it was given product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Product means x into x plus 1 is equals to 306. It was given the product of these two numbers is 306. Now we need to make this into a quadratic equation. X into x, x square plus x1 x is equals to 306. We will write it as x square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation we require. And what are the integers? X and x plus 1 are the integers, consecutive integers. This is the way we will find out. And we will move on to the next question. Here the question is, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. we would like to find Rohan's present age. Now, we will write it in a simple way. First of all, we need to understand the question step by step. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Here we need to find the Rohan's age. So let Rohan's age be X. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him, which means she is older than Rohan. So her mother's age will be 26 years older means she is elder. We will write X plus 26. So if we add 26 to Rohan's age, then it will be her mother's age. So mother's age is X plus 26. Rohan's age will be X. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now. So after 3 years, what is the age of Rohan? After 3 years. What is the age of Rohan? Rohan's age is X plus 3. After 3 years, we need to add plus 3, right? So we are adding plus 3. X plus 3. And what is his mother's age? Now her age is X plus 26. After 3 years, it will be plus 3. So finally we got X plus 29 will be the Rohan's mother's age after 3 years. Here we need to find, it was given that the product of their ages from now 3 years later, it is 360. So if we multiply these two, then the product value will be 360. It was given. So here X plus 3 into X plus 29 is equals to 360. Now we need to find the quadratic equation from this equation. X into x, x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 29 into 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 2 just 6, 87. It is 87 is equals to 360. Now if we solve this, x square plus 29x plus 3x, it is 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equals to 0. If we solve this, what will we get? We will get x square plus 32x. If we subtract 360 minus 87, it will be 273 is equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation we are finding. And what are the ages? It was asking about the present ages. What are the present ages? The present age will be 6 and the mother's age is x plus 26. This is the way we will solve these type of problems. And the final question is, here the question is, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So the distance is 480 kilometers. Distance is equals to 480 kilometers. If the speed had been 8 km less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So if the speed will decrease, the speed will decrease, then the time will automatically increase. Which we need to find the speed of the train. What is the speed of the train? Let speed be x. X be the speed, then we will write it as, what is the formula? Distance is equals to speed into time. What is the distance here? 480 kilometers is equals to speed into time. Speed is x into t is the actual time it will take in an average speed. So time is equals to 480 divided by x. This is the actual time. Now it was given in the question that if the speed had been decreased. Okay, now we will write it as distance is equals to speed into time. If distance is 480 kilometers, speed is decreased by 8 km per hour, which means x minus 8. The speed is x and it was decreased by 8. So we will write it as x minus 8 into, and the time is increased 3 hours, which means t plus 3. This is the way we will write. Now, what is the t plus 3 value here? 480 divided by x minus 8. And we already know what is the t value. Original value is 480. I will write it here. 480 divided by x plus 3 is equals to, here we are substituting the t value. What is the t value? 480 divided by x. After substituting, I'll get 480 divided by what? 480 divided by x plus 3 is equals to 480 divided by x minus 8. Now take the LCM. 480 plus 3x divided by x is equals to 480 divided by x minus 8. Now cross multiply each other. X minus 8 into 480 plus 3x is equals to 480 into x. 480x. Now we will multiply each other. X minus 8. That's it. X into 480. 480x plus 3x into 3x. 3x square minus 480 into 8. 8 zeros are 0. 8 8 are 64. 8 4s are 32 plus 6. 38. 3840 minus 8 8 3s are 24x is equals to 480x. Okay, we will write it directly here. Minus 480x is equals to 0. Here plus 480x minus 480x cancel. Finally, we will get 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equals to 0. Now, if I take 3 as common, what will I get? X square minus 8x minus 1280 is equals to 0. Finally, we'll got x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation we found. Here the speed is x. So we find both. This is the way we will find out. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. This is Sunhera signing off.